Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study With Me. I am here with a new question of trigonometry. Express cot of 85 degrees plus cos of 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratio of an angle between 0 degrees to 45, 0 and 45. So you can see in the question, here it is cot of 85 degrees and cos of 75 degrees. As we know, here the limit for theta is given, that is 0 degrees. Should be greater the theta should be greater than 0 degrees, but smaller than 45 degrees, smaller than equivalent to 45 degrees. So now to make this, we should convert this cot of 85 degrees in smaller angle. So we have the formula of trigonometry that cot of theta is equal to, we also can write this cot of theta is cot of 90 degrees minus 5 degrees. This is similar only, as 90 minus 5 is 85. So by substituting this cot of 85 degrees is equal to cot of 90 minus 5, we have, so now this cot of 90 minus 5 can be written as tan of 5, as the formula for this is cot of 90 minus any theta or any theta, that is equal to tan of theta. So we have tan of 5 degrees, and for similarly for cos of 75 degrees, that will be equal to cos of 90 minus 15 degrees. Here 90 minus 15, that will be equal to 75. So that will be equal to sine of 15 degrees, as the formula is there, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine of theta. So similarly for cos it will be sine of 15 degrees. Now substituting the values, we get cot of 85 degrees plus cos of 75 degrees, that will be equal to tan of 5 degrees plus sine of 15 degrees. This is the final solution for the given equation, as this 5 and 15 lies between 0 to 45, 0 to 45 degree. Thanks guys for watching this video. For more such video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. If you want this lecture theoretical understanding, then you should watch my trigonometric series, in which I have explained everything. Thanks guys for watching this video. Thank you.